Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, we're gonna learn how to turn off sounds and music on Stumble Guys application using iPhone. So if you want to learn how, follow the steps. Start off by launching open your Stumble Guys application and make sure that you are inside this page. Once you are, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, scroll down to audio. Once you come across this setting, you'll be able to see two options: sound volume and music volume. Simply drag the slider all the way towards the left and make sure that your volume bar looks like this. You can do this for both sound and music volume, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to turn off sound and music on Stumble Guys. So that way you can easily enjoy Stumble Guys without any kind of a sound or music. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Goodbye till then.